everyone, good evening. This is me, Renu Gupta, and the bulletin starts with OpenAI rolls out Assistant-like feature tasked to take an Alexa Siri. Galaxy S25 Ultra to launch with a groundbreaking AI feature. Mahakumbh, aka a DG Kumbh AI-powered chatbot, underwater drones, and water ambulance, Kumbh Mela 2025 goes high-tech. WhatsApp is making it easier to react to messages. Nvidia is preparing SoC for Lenovo laptop. Vodafone Idea partnered with the HCL software to automate 4G and 5G with AI. Fortinet released security update for fix 15 vulnerabilities that affect multiple products and more. In the previous quiz, we asked you in which decade was the American Institute of Electrical Engineers AIE founded, and the answer is 1880s. It's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who is the founder of Microsoft? Confident you have got the answer? Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune into tomorrow's news bulletin if you nailed it. OpenAI has launched the task of ChatGPT, a new feature of beta for Plus, Pro and Team user, transforming the AI into reminder app. Task can manage simple and complex requests to autonomously, which is setting to alarms and sending daily updates. Unlike typical reminder apps, it handles instructions like setting of 9:30 am alarm with a motivational speech. AI researchers at OpenAI shared the announcement on X, stating that the task aims to assist user with a one-time of recurring routines. User can schedule reminders on hydration, grocery shopping, and receive daily updates on tech trends and stock prices. The functionality of traditional app with the advanced AI capabilities paving the way for more personalized and dynamic user interaction. Now, Samsung is gearing up to launch a Galaxy S25 series of January 22, featuring a significant AI upgrade. The lineup, including the S25 and S25 Plus and S25 Ultra, introduce enhanced sketch-to-image tool on One UI 7. The AI-powered feature now supports a multi-modal capabilities, following users to generate images and using text prompts alongside sketches. Samsung teases creative possibilities like drawing with the S Pen and transforming sketches into imaginative creations, such as turning a basic house outline into diverse settings and sketch cat into an astronaut. Leaked marketing materials reveal a sleek design, themed bezels, and a vibrant new color options, including a deep blue shade. Pre-reservations are live, and Samsung promises a revolutionary step in mobile and AI, enhancing creativity and productivity for users worldwide. For the Mahakumbh Mela 2025, the Uttar Pradesh government has introduced innovative safety and security measure. The National Disaster Response Force (NDRF) launched a water ambulance and the Sangam, equipped with the medical supplies, oxygens, and doctors ensuring emergency care of attendants. Additionally, the DG Kumbh initiative utilizes the AI and advancement surveillance with over 2,750 CCTV cameras, AI-powered video analytics, and a monitor of even massive crowd. New technology includes underwater drones for river surveillance and chatbot for multilingual visitor assistance, and AI system for logistic and resource management. A cyber police team monitors digital threats including fraud. Now, WhatsApp is introducing the new feature of design enhancements to make messaging faster and more creative. User can now double tap to react on messages with their most used emojis displayed in a scrolling pop-out menu, streamlining the process of selecting reactions. Other emoji options remain accessible via the plus icon. The update minus discarded convenience but surpasses Meta's Messenger, which still offers only 5 fixed reactions. Additionally, WhatsApp is enhancing the photo and video editing in chats. User can now apply 30 visual effects in image and video directly in messages. Sticker pack also is shared in a chat, and Android user can turn selfies into custom stickers by tapping the sticker icon. iOS support for the feature expected soon, further personalizing interaction and making chats for more engaging. Nvidia may be preparing to launch its first major SoC to a consumer laptop, rumored to be named it N1X. Speculation across Lenovo leaks revealed a new laptop naming scheme, the N likely representing Nvidia. Lenovo current series use A and AMD for Intel Q and a Qualcomm further fueling a rumors of the Nvidia's entry. Data mining also uncovered a job-listing referencing an N1X chip by Nvidia CEO Jensen Huang confirmed plan for processor targeting AI PC during CES. No details about timeline for shared. If Nvidia introduces a mid-range of SoC with the robust graphics and superior software support for Windows ARM, it could disrupt the notebook market. The development could challenge Qualcomm Snapdragon series and offer a new standard for next-gen laptops optimized for performance and AI tasks. Now, Vodafone Idea has partnered with the HCL software to enhance its 4G and 5G network using HCL Augmented Network Automation (HCL ANA). The advanced platform, which manages a VI's multi-vendor networks from Ericsson and the Samsung, leverages the artificial intelligence to optimize a network operations, improve performance, and reduce energy consumption. The HCL ANA platform simplifies the management of VI's complex, a multi-technology network, ensuring a smooth integration and effective operation. It also empowers VI to automate and manage its network and independently, minimizing reliance on OEM-specific features. This collaboration not only helps in cost reduction and energy saving but also promises a more sustainable, reliable network. Customers will benefit from improved network and speed and performance as a result in these enhancements. Last, Fortinet has released a security update addressing 5 vulnerabilities across multiple products, including Forti's and Forti's Manager and Forti Analyzer and Forti Switch, Forti Proxy and Forti Client EMS and Forti WAP. These vulnerabilities range from a critical to high severity with two major flaws drawing attention. CVE 2024 and 55591 affects Forti's and Forti Proxy, allowing authentication bypass through crafted requests to Node.js WebSocket module, potentially the granting attackers a super admin access. Additionally, a Forti Manager and a Forti Analyzer have been patched with a fixed and a path traveler vulnerability that could lead to unauthorized code execution via crafted HTTP and HTTPS requests managed by Fortinet Product Security Incident Response Team. This is for today's news. For more such tech updates, follow IT Voice.